This is the beginning of my video. This is a cow looking at me, looking at him, and this is right next door to my property. But I'm gonna do some walking and see where most of the cows are. This one is just hanging out by the pond. And over here, you can see that the water that feeds the pond comes across this road where I live, and across the road is where the water runs under the road and into the pond. And so this is a country road that you're getting to see me walk down as I exercise in my neighborhood. This is the other side of the road where the water comes under the road through these big pipe tubes if it starts to overflow, and it'll run into the pond across the road. So I came here walking yesterday and I saw a turtle in this water, and he was just swimming around down there, and it was the most beautiful thing to see. So I vowed to exercise and get in shape on my Friday Live, and this is me out walking my country road 2 days in a row now. That's Friday and Saturday I have been out here walking. So that's it. I've started to get myself in better health. And so I have two coaches. I have Coach Mean Reen and I have Elizabeth Loves Fitness. Those are the two people who are going to hold me accountable to say that health is wealth. So as you can tell, I don't have my selfie stick, which would make this a little less shaky. But as Mrs. Paula says, everything is content. And so I am walking towards the end of my road, and then I'm going to make a right turn and try and find the cows in a pasture a little bit down the road. But all of this is land next to my land. Well, guess what? No cows. Usually there's a whole bunch of cows in this pasture right here. And I walked all the way out here to show everybody all the cows, and we have no cows. So we are going to be on the cow hunt every day. We're going to come out here walking until we see all the cows sitting here next to the fence in this pasture. So this is the road that I live on. And so it comes up to another road here that's a more main road. And this is the road where the cows are normally, a lot of times, right here in this corner pin, right on the corner of the road, but nothing today. So we are walking back towards my place, and I'm way down at the dip that you can see towards the end of the road down there. That's where I am. So I'm getting out walking at least a half a mile, if not a mile today, which is good because I need to walk at least a mile every day. And I want to walk more, but this is my first time getting out in a long, long time. And then I'm also going to do 30-minute exercises if it's raining and I can't get outside to walk on this quiet road. I love this quiet road. My place is where you see the road dip down way at the end of the road. Well, it's not the end of the road, that's just how far I'm walking. So you can't really tell because it's a good mile, if not a mile or two, that I'm walking. And I need to get all the exercise in that I can get while the weather is not too hot here and there's a slight breeze today. So I think I got in a mile walk, but I'll have to look at it and maybe append the video once I look at my steps in my phone. So let's end this video with a view of an Alabama country road, because these are the roads I love. It's nice and quiet out here. Everybody has their land and everybody just has peace and quiet out here on the road. So enjoy the peace and quiet of South Alabama. now it's time to walk back home. I got in my exercising for the day. Well, I'm going to end the video with the 2 cows that I started with. I thought I would see all the rest of them as I walked, but my phone does say that I've gone 1.1 miles today, and so that's a good start on my new exercise routine. So we're just going to come and hang out with the cows each day as I try and walk down my road and down the next road to visit with the cows. And pretty soon I'm going to take you one road over to see some longhorn cattle. Those are really neat. I'll just have to pull my car over to the side of the road and get those. So thanks everybody for watching my shaky phone video, but this was the best I could do today.